Okay, so I got a little door piece of wood to repair on this door frame, and the choice of weapons is Polyfilla. This is the two-part quick drying filler, polyester I call it. Now I've already mixed a little batch there with it. Now I'm going to try and see what I can do with one hand. Now here's the little, see, okay, so that's there on that piece, and then over here along this edge, the bottom edge needs a little bit more, so I don't have to get it all in one go perfectly, but it would be nice to get most of it. Now I had a little, oh it did have, here it is here. Now let's see if I can get, got some filler on the bottom there. Pardon my breathing, I've got a bit of a respiratory deal going on today. I don't know if I have hay fever or not. So basically it's a little bit of playing with mud when you were a kid and just making it into a little, trying to make that, replicate that form there. And it started because I just looked at this little piece here. That needed a little bit of filler there, and then I looked down here and I saw this piece missing. And this lady wants a nice job doing, so I can take the time to put that piece on there. And that's what I gotta do. I'll put the camera down and finish it off real quick now. So two-part polyester filler, and then you do a little bit of sanding maybe when you get done.